Buying Zimbabwe currency. Purchasing Zimbabwean currency, particularly the older banknotes that gained attention during the country's hyperinflation period, can be an interesting venture for collectors or those interested in foreign currency. Here's a guide to help you navigate buying Zimbabwe currency. Understand the currency types. Zimbabwe has issued multiple forms of currency, including the Zimbabwean dollar, bond notes, and the newer Zimbabwe dollar, ZWL. The most sought after are the hyperinflation-era notes, especially the $100 trillion note. Check online marketplaces. Websites that specialize in collectibles or foreign currency often sell Zimbabwean banknotes. These platforms are popular for finding specific denominations, particularly older, high-denomination notes. Visit currency dealers. Licensed currency dealers and numismatic shops often carry Zimbabwean currency. Verify the dealer's credibility to ensure you are purchasing authentic notes. Explore auction sites. Online auction sites frequently have listings for Zimbabwean banknotes. Prices can vary depending on the condition, rarity, and denomination of the notes. Verify legitimacy. Due to the popularity of Zimbabwe's hyperinflation notes, counterfeits exist. Always verify the authenticity of the currency through reputable sellers or by checking serial numbers and other security features. Understand current legal status. The older Zimbabwean dollar notes are no longer legal tender but are still highly valued as collectibles. The current Zimbabwe dollar is used within the country but may have limited value outside Zimbabwe. Check shipping and customs regulations. When buying currency from international sellers, ensure that shipping and customs regulations allow for the import of foreign currency into your country. Be aware of pricing. The value of Zimbabwean currency, especially collectible notes, can vary widely. Research the market to avoid overpaying and to find the best deals. Purchasing Zimbabwean currency can be a fascinating endeavor, especially for collectors. Make sure to buy from reputable sources, verify authenticity, and understand the currency's historical context for a successful acquisition.